Hey folks, James here with another episode of Worldbuilder. So it's been a bit of a wait since the last one, but hopefully today's episode is more than going to make up for the wait. So today, my plan is to build a little bit of Martian sci-fi scatter terrain. I was really inspired by the aesthetic of Doom when I was making this, and I really wanted to capture that grimy, oily, used future aesthetic, something that you could see on the Red Planet, far into the future when people are settling there and exploiting it for all its resources. So, without further ado, let's jump into the build. So there we have it, a little piece of Martian industry perfectly at home in a gritty industrial future. So, I decided to do something a little bit different with today's video. Let me know if you like it in the comments below, or if you prefer the more in-depth commentary. If you don't know, I actually also write and record all of the music in the background of these terrain videos myself. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a little link in the description to my other channel where I put all of my original music up. If you want to hear some more of that. If you have any ideas for videos that you'd like to see in the future, more terrain, more creatures, then please feel free to let me know. And I'll see you in the next one.